Hello, I'm Johnny Martin from Young Yogalist, and I have Ladarius Price from Simple that's going to come and help me teach you some yoga. So the first thing we're going to understand is that yoga is all dealing with breathing. Our breathing is connected with our body. So let's start off by going on tabletop. And when we are in tabletop, we should make sure that our wrists are directly under our shoulders and our knees are directly under our hips. And we're going to go into cat and cow, which the first one is cow. So when you go into it, you inhale and look up and drop your stomach. So let's inhale. And when we exhale, you exhale rounding, looking at your navel. So me and Mr. Price are going to go 3 more times. We'll inhale on our own breath. Inhale, look up. Exhale, looking down. Exhale down. And exhale down. And now we come back to tabletop. Let's roll our toes over and we're going to go to our first downward dog. And make sure that we are breathing in downward dog. One more breath. And we will look in between our hands and let's step that right foot forward. Left foot at a 45-degree angle. Right foot straight, knee straight, and we're going to come up to Warrior One. Perfect. And right here, we're making sure that we're breathing. One more breath. And one you may like, let's place our hands behind our back and let's bend forward because we should always be humble in our life, in our humble warrior. And continue to breathe. As we come back up into Warrior One. And from here, we're just going to open up into Warrior Two. So we just open up, making sure that our foot is back at a 90-degree angle. Front knee is still bent. And we are here looking. Great job. Make sure you're still breathing and your gaze should be over your hand. Great job. And now let's straighten that front leg. And we're going to drop straight down into a triangle. Great job. And you can look down at the ground if you choose to, or you can look up at the ceiling. And from here, let's place our hands down. Let's step back. And we're going to inhale into upward dog as we exhale into downward dog. We should always make sure we breathe deep in our nose and we exhale out our mouth at the same pace. And let's lift that left leg up and let's step it forward into Warrior One again on the left side. Foot straight, back foot at a 45-degree angle as we come up into Warrior One. Great job. One more good breath here. And placing your hands behind your back as you inhale and exhale into your humble warrior. There again, if your mind starts wandering, just focus on breathing. Breathe in your nose and out of your mouth. One more breath. And let's come back up to Warrior One. Perfect. And we're going to open up into Warrior Two. So it's on the left side. As again, my knee is straight, making sure it's not caved inward. It's straight. Arms straight out. Back foot at a 90-degree angle on your mat. And sometimes I take a check back on that back hand to make sure it's level with that front hand. And from here, let's straighten that front leg out. And we're going to go down into our triangle. As you get better in this, you should be able to sit 2 panes of glasses right in between you. 2 more breaths here. And let's place our hands back down, which we call going through your vinyasa. Step your foot back. Inhale into upward dog. And we're going to exhale into downward dog. Give me 1 good breath here. And we'll come back down to our knees into a sitting position. And I would say, I hope that you guys enjoyed. And may you guys have a great rest of your day.